And today we are going to be doing a 30-minute cardio kickboxing express class. So in this class, what you're going to see is both cardio movements that are kickboxing based, and I'm also going to work in some strength movements. What you're going to need: nice clear space so you can move, good pair of sneakers, double tie those laces so you don't need to pause at all during this workout, a pair or two of hand weights if you have. If you don't have them, that's okay. Grab some water bottles, some soup cans, just something to give you some resistance, especially when we do some upper body work, and water and a towel. Always try to make sure to stay hydrated. Take breaks whenever you need them. I will have breaks built in, and then a sweat towel if you need to wipe any sweat off, just so it's not getting in your eye. This entire workout is going to be upright, so you don't have any floor work today. 60 seconds on of a movement, 30 seconds of active recovery. 12 movements total. We're going to start with a warm-up. So I'm going to put some music on. We're going to get moving. So to start, we've got a step touch right and left. I'm going to kind of move my little playlist here a little closer, just so I can see everything I put together, because I can't remember it today. So we're just getting warm side to side. If you want to, add some arms for chest and back along with those legs. Now you can always match me if you want to, or match the music, or do what feels good. Rotations, arms up. We're going to lift our heels right and left. Turning side to side. Warm up through those legs, back, hips, and cores. I always like to throw rotations in a kickboxing class so that you can feel where your power is going to be coming from later. It doesn't come from the arms when you punch. It comes from and through your body. Knees up. I have this handy timer to keep us on track, so we don't stay in anything too long, but just long enough. Knees up. Pulling those hands down toward them. Warming up shoulders, front of the body, flexors, all that good stuff. Hamstring curls, take it back. Flex your feet. You want a little different arm movement. Bring your arms up and down. Warm up through the back, along with those hamstrings. Feeling good already. And keep breathing. Never hold your breath during the workout. You need that oxygen going to your muscles, your lungs, and your heart. Toes forward, feet about hip to shoulder width apart. Chest up, we're going to squat and rise your own pace. Inhale down, exhale up. Weight in the heels, chest up. Think your ribs are on top of your hips. Nice tight center. Pushing through. All right, crescent knees. Opening up hip to hip. So knee over and across. Guard is going to try to stay up by outside your cheeks, outside your jaw. This is going to be your authentic hand position when we do our kickboxing. Okay? You always want to protect this. Moneymaker right there. Jumping jacks. You can do low impact with a bent arm. You can get a little more higher intensity with straight arms. Heart rate comes up because arms go overhead. Or full out. Balls of those feet. Arms up, legs out. Yes. 2, 1. Last warm-up movement. It's a 3-2 kick. 3-2 kick. Kick. 3, 2, 1. Kick. You add just the opposite arm. Punch it out. Ball of that foot coming towards me. Give me a fist bump. Put it all together, upper and lower. A little bit bicep curls. I'm gonna grab my thighs here. We're gonna start with strength. Knees a little soft, toes forward. Palms are gonna face each other, shoulders roll back. Curl your arms up and down, your own pace. Hammer curl. So I'm gonna start you on a hammer, and then I'm gonna switch you about halfway through, okay? Elbows in close. Eye gaze forward. And you're only bending at that elbow, utilizing the front of that arm, that bicep. So pull it on in. All right, switch hand positions. Palms forward. Bicep curl standard. Wrists are nice and neutral and straight. And you can go as heavy as you want to on these. Because you don't gotta match these, so a heavier weight will go slower than a lighter weight. That's okay. You get the amount of volume that you can get today. Weights down. We're gonna do a little 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Knee, step behind, step, tap. Step behind, step, tap. It's a grapevine, essentially. Active recovery. We keep the heart rate up. It's going to take us into cardio right here. Feet wide. Protect that jaw. Sink down. Uppercut under the chin. Turn the hip under the chin. Up and up. Your own pace. Right and left. Look at your target. They're right in front of you. They're your height. And you are powering out of your legs through your core to that arm to break their jaw. Now you can go faster if you like. But keep rotating that hip in. And breathe on that out. You can change your target to their gut. So it's an uppercut to your opponent's belly button. Under their rib cage and up. Come on. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. March it up. March it back. Wide legs. 1, 2, 3. Tap. We're going to go back into weights with squats. So don't be afraid to go heavy. Heavy for me today is my thighs. I'm gonna go grab my weights right here. Grab your weights. Squat position. Hip to shoulder width apart, toes a little out. Weights up, shoulders down, tight core. We're gonna go down slow and pick it up. Inhale down. Exhale, push through your heels up. Now, I always like to do my squats a little slower. I feel like I can really sink into my hips. Get a nice, healthy range of motion, which for you, maybe it's here, maybe it's knees, or maybe it's below parallel. You get to decide. And if you have a mirror, sometimes it does help. You can kind of look in the side. You want to make sure that your chest isn't leaning over. You want to make sure you're not rounding, but nice and strong. Yes. Weights down. Can we do ham, ham, knee, knee? Ham, ham, knee, knee. Nice wide legs. Little cross, little cross. Yes. We've got cardio coming up next. Keep alternating. Now this is going to play off of this movement right here. You're going to give me knee, knee, kick, kick. Knee, knee, kick, kick. Yes. Kick, kick, knee. Yes. Now if you want to make it a little more challenging, you can get a little lean back into those hips. up. Hey. You want to add the opposite? Punch, punch. Just like we did in the warm-up. Right knee, left knee. How about some high fives? High five. Yes. You got this. You only got 10 more seconds. You can fight through it. 30 seconds, so we gotta keep moving. 3, 2, 1. Punch it up. Set, 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 touch. Breathe in the nose. Up and out. Nice big inhale with the arms. And out. Up. Inhale. We got weights coming again. Last one. All right, grab your weights. Deadlift, so you can probably go a little heavier if you have that option. Feet are going to be about hip to shoulder width apart. Think about corkscrewing inner or outer thigh. Push your hips back. Let the weights slide down to about mid-shin. Exhale, push through your heels. Squeeze your glutes. Inhale down. Exhale. Squeeze your glutes on the way up. Inhale. You really want to reach your hips to the wall behind you. And then push your feet through the floor. We're attacking those hamstrings, the back of those thighs. Balancing you out from all of the work on the front of your body to the back of your body. Feel a beautiful stretch happening. Oh, I think I can do one more. Yes. Set these weights down. You're going to give me 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pick. Up. Knee. This is a very low impact trim step, just for recovery. 1, 2, 3. Knee. Cut. I like this little beat right here. All right, roundhouse. Turn, left heel in. Arms up, protect your face. Curl your heel into your butt. Release, kick with your legs. Heel back in and back down. Up, out, in, down. Target can be toward the shin, maybe the knee, or as you get better with your balance, you can go toward their hip, maybe the side of their waistline. And then you can always speed it up. You can put that hand out for balance there. Heel in, out, down. In, out, down. Feel that crunch in your oblique as well, right? Come on. Keep that heel turned in. Little curl, 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 curl. Now whenever you need water, get it. All right? Flex this foot, curl it in. Plus 2, last one. Grab your weights. Shoulder lateral raise. Bent arm, so 90 degrees. Keep that 90. Feet about hip to shoulder width apart. Raise it up. Bring it down. Up to shoulder height. So palms go from facing each other to facing toward the floor. Knees are a little soft. Eye gaze is ahead of you. You want to know a way to make this a little easier? You do one arm at a time. A way to make it harder, you get heavier weights. If that's an option for you. You could also change it to more of a straighter arm to make it harder. Keep a little bend in those elbows though. And palms are gonna face the floor or your thigh. but that pinky leads a little bit up, almost like you're pouring into a glass. Weights down. You're gonna give me 2 knees. 2 knees. We're gonna do a roundhouse on the other side. Just like we did on that right, we're gonna do it left. See this nice low impact option here? If you want to, little pops. Otherwise, stay here. All right, right heel into your coming. Left heel up, guard up. Bring the heel into your glute. Release the lace toward the opponent. Back in, reset. Down to the floor. In, out, in, down. So you always want to load that kick by pulling it in, taking it out, in, down. And your height for your best balance. If you start to get a little wobbly, don't kick as high. You can also, remember, speed it up. You like that arm out. A little bit of balance there. Maybe you're like, woo! Don't mess with me. Don't mess with you. Come on, where are you kicking? Want those back of those legs working. If you sit all day at a desk, oh, these hamstrings are asking to be worked here, okay? They want it. They do. All right, little chest press. Side step. Arms bent. Side to side. Back to weights. We got rows. Nice strong backs. 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab your weights. Probably medium. If you have a way to do that. Keep grabbing what you got. Feel that hip width apart, toes front. Push your hips back. Knees are bent. Palms face each other. Roll your shoulders back. You're gonna pull elbows in and up toward the ceiling. Exhale, pull in and down. Your row does not have to be ridiculously high. Do not think you have to bring your elbow all the way up. Slouching, that's not good. It's not good. Neck long. Thinking about squeezing. Shoulder blades can come back there. Bringing that weight to about your hip. Belly nice and braced, eye gaze down. You are going to have such good posture after this class. Working these muscles that you slouch. Yes, weights down. Woo. Low impact jack. Out, out. That's that arm shoulder raise like we do with our weights. Body weight. We got cardio. Here comes some punches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg behind, step back, and turn to the corner. Jab to the nose, cross to the cheek, jab to the nose, step and switch. Jab nose, cross, turn your hip to the cheek, jab to the nose, step, switch, jab, cross, jab, jab, cross, jab. 1, 2, 3, jab, turn, turn. Turn that hip. Yes. Jab, cross, jab. Way to make it a little harder. Jab, cross, jab. Jab, cross, jab. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 12 more seconds here. Who are you punching? Are you punching me because you're getting tired? I hope not. I'm having fun with it. I hope you are. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get a little oblique in our recovery. Up, up. 3, 2, 1. In. 6, 5, 4, 3, reverse flies. Palms face. Feet about hip to shoulder width. Hinge back. Shoulders back. Belly tight. Elbows a little bent. You're going to slide and release. Squeeze your elbows, or squeeze your shoulder blades, and slow your way down, working that upper back. Fighting osteoporosis, fighting all that gravity. As we get older, gravity wants to push us down. We won't let it today. We're going to strengthen our muscles, our bones, our minds, and our hearts together. Think about why you're doing this. You push play for a reason with me. So I want you to picture that goal in mind. Whew. Weights down. We're almost done. Come up. 3, 2, 1. Tap. Last. Bam. Heel up. Slow down. Last movement coming up right here. It's going to be a punching jumping jack. So come back to your center. Have your fist. Punch up. Punch out. Up. Out. Up. Out. Strong legs. Balls to those feet. If you need. Up. Out. Lateral tap. Punch, break the ceiling, maybe the glass ceiling for my ladies, and then serve those fists to whoever needs to get them today. Come on, nice tight glutes. Maybe kind of alternate between the high and the low impact. You've only got 20 more seconds. No shame, no matter which option you want to take. Punch it out. Still breathing, right? We've got a cool down coming up. In 3, 2. Little step touch. I'm gonna get a sip of water here. I was able to hold off all workout. So get it now. Maybe drink with your pinky up. All right, so cool down. Whew. This workout was designed to be a little lower impact, so you did not have to jump, while still getting in that cardio, kickboxing, with that super important strength building component. Strengthening our lungs, our muscles and our bones, our minds at the same time. All right, super deep inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Exhale out. We're going to stretch out our quad. If you have something to hold on to, go ahead. Otherwise, take the top of that right foot. Knee down, thighs together. Heel into your butt. We're going to take that leg in front. Heel down, toe up. Push your hips back. Stretch through that hamstring. This is the tricky one. I'm turn to the front. Follow your foot, open up your hip. Rest the ankle on top of your quad. Flex the foot, try to sit back, if you can, into a squat. If not, you can always hold it open as well. Some days are better than others. All right, release. Grab the top of your left foot, heel into your glute. Knee down, hips forward. Stretch the neck.
Now it's just like, man, you got to have that time where you
we worked your full body, so we want to get an entire full body stretch here. Undoing everything that we did between that cardio and that strength, so we can come back stronger next time. Heel down, toe up. Cool downs are always important. Do not skip your cool downs. All right, you want to try that balance again? Ball the foot. See if this leg's any better. Flex it Open up. Stretching out your piriformis and your glute can get really tight. Take those legs nice and wide. Knees wide. Push into your right inner thigh. Twist over to the left. Into the center. Same thing, but other side. Push into your left thigh, twist right. Into the center. Press your chest forward. Ground yourself up. Right foot behind the left. Right arm up. Grab your right wrist if you like. Take it down, other side. Left foot behind right. Grab your wrist if you like. Stretch to the side, your right hand. Shake those hands out. Right arm. Pulling on your forearm. Open up one. Other side. Take these hands behind your back. Drive that fist down. And into the front. Reverse. Press away. All the way up. Ground and roll your wrist. Super deep inhale. Exhale down your heart. You did it. Great job. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this express cardio kickboxing class. Get a good strength and cardio workout in under 30 minutes, keeping it low impact, especially if you're in an apartment or just somewhere you need to be a little quiet, or if you're on a floor that just isn't good for jumping on. Otherwise, always work to your biggest and best intensity. I hope to see you guys again. Follow us on YouTube at UMBC Rec TV and on Instagram at UMBC Rec. I hope to see you guys again all spring 2021 semester. Until then, I'm out.